Good morning. The fuel trucks have a special mission today.
Hello.
Tank truck.
Let's go.
Look! Red fuel truck pours red paint into a mold.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Red.
After it dries, tap tap.
Cool.
Wow, it's a red tire.
What's next? It's my time.
Now it's yellow fuel truck's turn.
Wow, it's a nice slide. Yeah.
Yellow.
It makes a yellow cab for the vehicle.
Wow. Let's go. Open.
Green fuel truck adds paint to the mold too.
It's so nice.
Green.
Wow.
It makes the chassis for the car.
Nice.
Huh?
Transformation. Open. Good job. I got it.
Blue.
Finally, blue fuel truck produces a blue digging bucket.
I like it.
All the parts are ready. Time to assemble. Attach the cab to the chassis.
Look at this.
Then put on all 4 wheels.
Nice.
And finally attach the digging bucket. The colorful excavator is finished.
Excavator.
Let's go.
It goes to cover the seeds with soil.
I like it.
Look, the fruit trees are growing big and strong.
Good job. Bye-bye.
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.